Okay, so men tend to like girls who are indifferent during the flirting phase. Emphasis on during the flirting phase. Why? Well, because since forever, men have liked a challenge. It's just in their nature. Now, having a high level of curiosity is also a part of the challenge for men. But let's say the girl is super indifferent to the point where you end up frustrated and giving up on getting her. The question is it because she's really arrogant and too indifferent, or is it because you don't know how to flirt with an indifferent girl? Alright, so in order for you to understand the benefits and tips I'm giving you, and so you can grasp the essence, let's first look at the usual background of indifferent girls. First off, indifferent girls usually have a background of being hurt before. Get it? Secondly, they typically have deep-seated traumas that make them act indifferent. Thirdly, there's usually an excessive suggestion planted from childhood, like warnings about strangers. Or those suggestions have been there for years, deeply rooted in their minds. And fourth, it might be because they often hear stories about jerk guys from their friends. Or it could be because they're just naturally shy. Now, once we've got their background, those 4 points, we can see they all have a common basis. Because of the girl's worries and ingrained fears. At this point, we can find the tips. Actually, the tips are super simple. We just need to get over their background, okay? 1. Provide a sense of security. Since indifferent girls usually act that way because of past hurts, what you guys need to do is make them feel safe. 2. Don't dive into intimate or overly personal topics right away. Like if it's early in the flirting stage and you start asking about her job or family or her hobbies, don't. Why not? Because there's a potential she'll judge you. Obviously, she'll feel threatened and scared, or she might just find you off-putting for acting like you're already close. The mindset of an indifferent girl is different from usual girls' mindset. 3. Don't be too aggressive. This is really important. Approach it with elegance, slowly but surely. Cut down on excessive talking and focus more on small gestures of attention. Being aggressive only reinforces her suggestion about strangers or jerk guys. She'll run away or avoid you, thinking you're just like most guys, the kind she's been thinking about all this time. 4. Never confess your feelings at the beginning of flirting. Remember, this is super important. Keep giving small attentions, not too much. Usually, women are more interested in mysterious guys. If you can give her half information about yourself, she'll be more curious. This is to lure her into wanting to know more about you. Trust me, warm communication will follow. Yes, when there's a desire to know more, that desire won't happen if you're too aggressive, so be a bit mysterious. 5. Get close to her friends first. Okay, you need to befriend her closest friends. This is a shortcut that I think is very effective. You can express your personal strengths or skills to her close friend, which you can't do directly to her. You can't, but you can do that to her close friend, so that her close friend will tell her about you. They'll say you can do this, you can do that, and so on. With this trick, you can indirectly gain sympathy from the indifferent girl. Awesome, right? Because the strengths we hear about from others are more believable and charismatic than you telling her yourself. Hey, I'm good at this. I'm like this. That'll make you seem arrogant or even rude, and it won't work with these girls. So, get close to her friends first. As additional information, I want to tell you that indifferent women are selective, and selective women are high-value women. If you have a personality that doesn't give up easily and loves challenges, fight to get that indifferent girl. Just keep at it, and usually, if an indifferent girl falls for you, she'll be extremely loyal. Get it? Hope that helps. Let me know if there's anything else you need.